Good day, folks. This is your real estate housing market review for the Fraser Valley area for October of 2025. It's very, very similar to the Vancouver area. The Fraser Valley is experiencing, it's still in that correction mode or buyer's market mode, even though it is showing some ever so slight uh, signs of increasing. And it's significant right across the board in BC because the market usually, no matter how good the year is, usually it starts to turn down compared to the other months in the year. And October is starting to turn up in basically all the areas, but very, very slightly. And the Fraser Valley and the Vancouver boards are still quite flat or in a correction mode. So how do I know that? If you look at the absorption, you're still below the 12% now. You've got 10.11% absorption. That means that 10.11% of the houses that were on the market on October 1st actually sold in October. So we had some single digits here. So yes, it's pumping up into a double digit, but we're still below that 12%. There was 437 sales, housing sales in October of 2025. You compare that to last October, 371. It's up, but it's still not back into the range. It's still not above that 10-year average range. Your inventory, which is a significant indicator that supply is exceeding demand because the inventory is rising. You see the inventory, the housing inventory in the Fraser Valley area was 4,324 units. You got to go a long ways back just to find a four in front of it. So if you look at prices, just say we take the average price for the last 3 months, which is over here, the small little figure down here is 1,450,000 for August, September, October. If we go back to last August, September, October, it's 1,545,000. So down about 100 grand. That's about 7.5%, something like that. And again, that's just one small look at 3 months, the last 3 months this year compared to the last 3 months last year. I think you're going to see the Fraser Valley, like the Vancouver area, we're flattening out in a time when most years, the market is inching down this time of year. We're starting to flatten out and start inching up. I believe we'll be inching up in the next couple of months, and we're sort of opening up the door for a reasonable year in 2026. Certainly better than 2025, but nothing to write home about. So that's your housing market review for October of 2025 for the Fraser Valley.